today we will learn how you can automate food ordering with Insighto.ai. So I have started creating my assistant and coming to the prompt part. So in the task, we just mentioned the basic guidelines like how it should communicate, how the tonality should be, okay, and other basic guidelines. Then coming to the main steps. So first up, like these few steps are like greeting the customer, getting to know their name, and getting to know what they are or what they would like to order. Now step 4 is about searching. Okay, like once they have told that okay I would like to order this, then searching it in the menu and ensuring that there is, I would say, there is broad match. Okay, broadly matching, because you people can say, like, let's say there is mochiko chicken regular, they can say regular mochiko chicken. So ensuring that there is no such issues over there, and it doesn't say that okay this doesn't exist. So that's the reason we have to put broadly matching over here and like instructed to that. Now coming to next step, okay, this is just order confirmation, and after that, once you confirm the order, then it is about totaling it, like okay this plus this whatever you have ordered. And then next step is about generating order number. Now this is the sequence I have followed for generating order number. You can follow some other sequence as well, that's not an issue. Now the next part is here we will connect to a tool, okay, SMS tool Twilio, and I'll show you how you do that. So then the part over here is just getting their mobile number, and then ordering, and then telling them, and then instructing the bot that okay send this as SMS to customer with these details and this bill amount, and then just basic thank you and end of the call statements. And then this is the menu I have given, with which bot will broadly match whatever user would like to order. So this is my prompt. I'll copy this prompt and paste it over there. I'll save and exit. And now coming to the tools part. So in order to send SMS, you will have to connect to Twilio tool. So here you will have to, okay, like I'll show you my current existing configurations. So you can see Twilio user 1. The function is to send an SMS, and this is the configuration of, this is my Twilio number configuration. So done. You can do this once you like click on setting up, and if you click on start new, it will take you to a new screen, like where it will ask you these details. Okay, you can keep any name you want, and you can give your account SID, which you will get on home screen of your Twilio, and authentication token, which also you will find it in your home screen of your Twilio. So now connecting this with my assistant. And done. Now I'll create a widget. Okay, widget would be restaurant order. Great. Now I've set up my bot. Now I've set up my assistant. Let's test it out.
Hi, welcome to Bob's Healthy Kitchen. Is this a takeout order, dine-in order, or catering?
It's a dine-in order.
Great. Can I have your name, please?
Abhinav.
Thank you, Abhinav. What would you like to order today?
So I would like to order one mini low carb plate.
Just to confirm, you'd like one low-carb plate mini. Is that correct?
Yes.
Perfect. That's one low-carb plate mini. Your total comes to $12. Would you like a breakdown of the bill?
No, thank you.
Thank you. I'll generate your order number now. Your order number is 270924-0123. Could you please share your mobile number, starting with +1?
Sure. +1 315 2209 204.
Thank you for sharing your mobile number. +1 3152209 204. An SMS confirmation has been sent to you. Thank you for ordering from Bob's Healthy Kitchen. Have a wonderful day.